Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Civilka Adda 1M. So those who have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel Civilka Adda 1M and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications. So in this video, I would like to explain about the initial setting time of cement test. So how to perform the initial setting time of cement. So in previous video, I have already explained what is meant by setting time of cement, that is initial setting time and the final setting time of cement. So I'm going to link that at the end of this video. So before going into this test, you just watch that video. So to get the clear clarity what is meant by the initial setting time of cement. So here in this video, we are going to learn how to perform the initial setting time of cement test. So the aim is to determine the initial setting time for the given sample of cement. So the apparatus what we are going to use to find out this is Vickett apparatus. So see here, this is the Vickett apparatus. So this we are going to use, and which is attached with the attachments, balance, weights and trowel. And it is the theory, it is initial setting time. What is meant by initial setting time? So initial setting time is regarded as the time which elapsed between the moment the water is added to the cement to the time that the paste starts losing its plasticity. So when water is added to the cement, from that stage to when it loses its plasticity. So till that time duration is known as the initial setting time of cement. So see here, this is the Vickett apparatus. So the glass plate, and this is the glass plate. Let me point it. So this is the glass plate. So mold is placed on glass plate, and this is the plunger. So needle is attached to this plunger, and this is mold. So here the cement paste is filled in this mold. So these are the needles or annulars. So different needle is going to be used for different tests. So for initial setting time of cement, we are going to use this needle, which is 1 mm square. So this needle we are going to use. And this is the movable rod which weighs 300 grams. So see here, movable rod. So here the holder will be there. If we remove that, this movable rod will move and it will penetrate here. So this is the screw, and these are the indicators. These are the readings, measurements. So this is the indicator. So this is about the Vickett apparatus. So based on this apparatus, by using this apparatus, we are going to find the initial setting time of cement. So we'll see how to prepare the mold and how to do the experiment. So preparation of test block. So how to prepare the test block? So before starting, we want to prepare a test block, right? So where we are going to place that cement into the mold. So how to prepare that, we will see. So prepare a neat cement paste by gauging 300 grams of cement with 0.85 times the water required to give a paste of standard consistency. So take 300 grams of cement, and to that we need to add the water, right? So how much amount of water we need to add? We need to add the 0.85 times the water required to give a paste of standard consistency. So normal consistency or standard consistency experiment we will do, no, right? So that value, so that amount of water into 0.85 will give the amount of water required for the initial setting time of cement. So we need to use the potable or distilled water, and then the paste shall be gauged in the manner and under the conditions prescribed in determination of consistency of standard cement paste. So we need to follow the gauging time. So we need to start a stopwatch at the instant when water is added to the cement. So we need to start the stopwatch when water is added to the cement, then maintain a proper gauging time. So 3 minutes to 5 minutes. And next, after preparing that, we need to place that in a mold, right? So fill the mold with the cement paste gauged as above the mold, resting on a non-porous plate. So I have shown you in the previous slide, right? I have shown the non-porous plate. So on that place, we need to place this mold. So in that mold, we need to place the cement, the mixed cement mortar. So fill the mold completely and smooth off the surface of the paste, making it level with the top of the mold. So after placing that into the mold, we need to strike off the excess cement, and then the cement, the test block is prepared. So the test block is prepared. Then we can do the experiment. So just once again, let me show that in the diagrammatical view. So this non-porous plate, so see here, see this left diagram. So non-porous plate we have placed here, right? So above that we need to place the mold. And in this mold we need to place the cement what we have mixed. So cement paste should be filled in this mold till this top. So remove the excess amount with the trowel. So remove the excess amount, and then the cement, the test block is ready. So we'll see how we need to find the initial setting time. So place the test block confined in the mold and rest it on the non-porous plate under the rod bearing initial setting needle, and lower the needle gentle in contact with the surface of the test block and quickly release, allowing it to penetrate into the test block. So let me show this again here. So after filling this mold, so we need to make sure the needle is touching the top of the paste. So then we need to release the pin of the movable rod. Then what will happen? This movable rod will penetrate into this mold. So that only again will go here. So after placing that test block, so we need to release that quickly and allowing it to penetrate into the test block. So in the beginning what will happen, the needle will completely penetrate into the test block. So completely when we are releasing the movable rod, it will directly penetrate into the test block completely at the starting stage. So slowly again we need to give the next try, we need to repeat it. So repeat this procedure until the needle, when brought in contact with the test block and released as described above, that is, fails to pierce the block to a point 5 to 7 mm measured from the bottom of the mold, shall be taken as the initial setting time. So after releasing that movable rod, I'll show here again in the diagram. So after releasing this movable rod, this rod penetrate into the mold, right? So starting stage, it will penetrate completely. And we need to perform the number of trials until when we need to perform, when this measuring is between 5 mm to 7 mm from the bottom. So this is starting, so you need to go like this upward. So 5 to 7 mm, in between 5 to 7 mm, 5 or 6 or 7 mm. So when you get that readings, it is that you need to stop that experiment. So that is the initial setting time. So you need to note down from starting stage, when we are releasing it, that stage to the when the measurings are between 5 mm to 7 mm, how much time it is taking. So that time is known as the initial setting time. So that time is known as the initial setting time. So starting after putting the mold onto the Beckett apparatus non-porous plate, then you will release the movable rod, right? So when you are releasing that movable rod at that stage to when the measurings are given in between 5 to 7 mm. So that time is known as the initial setting time of that particular sample of the cement. So this is how we are going to do the initial setting time of a cement test. So thank you all for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Civilka Adda 1M. Thank you.